Hello students, I am Shashi Bhushan Mishra. I am available here to teach mathematics for class 11 students. The revision I started in the first round, the revision of trigonometry part 1. This is the revision of trigonometry part 2. So let us see with care. So this is you know from class 10 that sin 90 minus theta is cos theta, cos 90 minus theta is sin theta, tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. But how and why? Anyway, you know that this is 90 degree. 90 degree, this is 90 minus theta, and this is 90 plus theta. So students, it is very interesting. In that side, this is in first quadrant, in second quadrant, then this is in third, and this is the fourth quadrant. These are the quadrants. Now we know that in first quadrant all positive. So this positive, this positive, this positive. In second quadrant, sign positive. So this positive means plus, other will be minus. Now in third quadrant, tan positive, sign positive, all positive. Tan positive means this, other will be negative. Now in fourth quadrant, cos positive. So this cos will be positive and other value will be negative. Now you know from class 10, this is sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. So write cos theta, whatever you know, everywhere write the same. Because the 90 degree, the opposite of 90 degree is 270 degree. 90 and 270 both lie on y-axis. So the behavior will be same. Now this is 270 minus and 270 plus, less than 270, more than 270. So the behavior will be same everywhere. For 90 degree and for 270 degree behavior does not change, but according to this scheme, all students take copy, should be continued. So everywhere sine becomes cos, you know, cos becomes sine, and tan becomes cot. Everywhere sine becomes cos theta, cos becomes sin theta, tan becomes cot theta. Here also sine becomes cos theta, cos becomes sin theta, tan becomes cot theta. So again sine becomes cos theta, cos becomes sin theta, and tan becomes cot theta. So all these are ready. Now just see another portion. This is 180 degree and 360 degree. How this is 360 degree? After making a complete round, 90, 90, 90, 90. When all the 90s are added, in one turn we get 360. So 0 is equivalent to 360 degree. Same, again we are getting the same axis. Now see, you are going to do the work on real axis. This axis is called real axis, you know already, real axis. Remember one thing, real axis, no change in T ratio, no change in trigonometric ratio. What is the meaning of no change in trigonometric ratio? Sine becomes sin theta, cos becomes cos theta, tan becomes tan theta. No change. If you are working on 180 degree or 360 degree, no change. Sine becomes sin theta, cos becomes cos theta, tan becomes tan theta. Likewise, sine becomes cos theta, cos becomes sin theta. No change. Sine, cos, tan, sine, cos, tan, sine, cos, tan. Again, no change in trigonometric ratio. Sine, theta, cos theta, tan theta. You know that x-axis is called real axis and this y-axis is called imaginary axis. On imaginary axis there will be a change, like sine becomes cos, cos becomes sine, tan becomes tan, tan becomes cot, sine cos, cos sine, tan cot, you know from class 9. Why this axis is called imaginary axis I will be discussing later on in complex number chapter, imaginary number system. So wait for this. Now on the real axis there is no any change. The ratio will be same, sine cos tan, sine cos tan, sine cos tan. Now the quadrant sign scheme as this, all positive, all plus means this plus plus plus. Now sine positive means this positive, other will be negative. Now tan positive means this positive, other will be negative. Now cos positive, so this positive, other will be negative. So many formula you have remembered here. Now imagine students, suppose there is no any authentic proof of this, why this happened, no authentic proof. So we know the two formula from beginning of class 10. So just see how the formula will be helpful to answer our question. The proof of these formula are not available to you, no authentic proof. But if you are interested to give the proof, you can give the proof. Just wait. These two important formula you must have seen in class 10. You must have seen. Or if you have not seen, then just remember it. This is the important formula from trigonometry. And after that you must be knowing the two things. Just this is very important thing about sine. And this is very important thing about sine 0, 0, sine 180, also 0, 0, the reverse is 0, sine 90, 1, sine 270, minus 1, 1 minus 1, opposite of 1 is minus 1, likewise cos, cos 0, 1, and this is cos 180, minus 1, 1, the reverse of 1 is minus 1, and cos 90, 0, cos 270, 0. Reverse of 0 is 0. This will be helpful a lot if you know the formula. Suppose you are told to find out the value of this sine 90 minus theta. What is the reason behind this? What? You are not knowing at all. You are blank. So just remember this formula. Sine 90 minus theta, sine A into cos B. So this is sine A into cos B minus cos A into sine B. Now write the formula for here. Sine 90 is 1. 1 into cos theta minus cos 90, 0. 0 into sine theta. So this is cos theta. So how successfully you have given the proof. Now suppose you have to find out the value of sine 180 plus theta. Then use the formula, sine formula, sine A into cos B plus cos A into sine B. For plus we use plus. The student, this is minus, minus. Minus, for minus we use minus. Both will be minus. If minus, then we must have minus. Now this is correct formula in case of cos, plus minus. And if we are taking plus, it will become minus. These are the important formula you will see in trigonometry. So this sine A plus B, so sine A into cos B plus cos A into sine B. Now put the value of sine 180 degree. Sine 180 degree is 0. 0 into cos theta plus cos 180 degree, cos 180 degree minus 1 into sin theta. Sin theta. So this is minus sin theta. So the proof of each and every is coming. Now suppose you have to find out the value of sin 270 degree minus theta, or cos. Suppose many times I have taken cos 270 minus theta. Cos for minus it becomes plus. So cos A into cos B plus sin A into sin B. Now put the value of cos 270. Cos 270 degree 0. 0 into cos theta plus sin 270 minus 1 into sin theta. So minus sin theta. So we are getting the proof always. Now lastly, how to remember this table? This is very urgent and important table to give the proof of whatever I taught today. For mathematics students, these are very useful, very useful. You cannot imagine how important these two circular system for you. Sin 180 degree. Students, suppose you have to draw the graph of y is equal to sin x. Draw the graph. The graph is very important in mathematics. It will play an important role in physics also. So let us draw a table. You are in habit of drawing a table from class 10. This is x, this is y. 0 degree. After that 90 degree you know. After that 180 degree you know. After that 270 you know. And after that 360 you know. Sin 0, put the value 0 degree, 90 degree, 180 degree, 270, 360. So sin 0, 0. See the table. Sin 0, 0, sin 91, sin 180, 0, 270 minus 1, and 360 same. After a complete cycle, this is also equal to sin 360 degree. So 360 degree also 0. Now let us draw the graph of this function. Easily you can draw the graph. Just see how successfully we can draw the graph. First of all, we plot the point on the on y-axis 0 to 1 and minus 1. So let this is point of 1 and this is the point of minus 1 and this is your 0. Now 0, 0, the first point is 0, 0. Now 90 degree, let this point is 90. At the same distance 180. Again at the same distance 270. And again at the same distance 360. In left side you can also take minus 90. Negative angles are also there. Minus 180. Minus 270 and minus 360. Now plot this point. First is 0, 0. 0, 0 is plotted. Now 90 degree and 1. This point is called 90 degree and 1. 90 and 1, 0 and 0. Then 180, 0. This is called 180, 0. So this is the, just see how it is bended. The linear equation is only a straight line, other are curves. Now just see 270 minus 1. Minus 1 and 360 is 0. So again, yeah, this. So symmetrically you can go in this side. Suppose you have to move in this side, this will be downward and this will be upward. Naturally, this is the maximum value and this is the minimum value. The sign is maximum 1 and minimum minus 1. Likewise, minimum to maximum, then minimum. This is minimum, then maximum. Here is the maximum. This is the rule. Now this is 0, 0. So join this symmetrically. So how successfully you have drawn the graph of sine function. Likewise the other graphs can be had. So this table, never forget this system. This will help you a lot. Thank you very much, students. Try to like and subscribe and share among all those who are the students of class 11. Thank you very much. Wait for the third video, revision of trigonometry. Thank you.